Mr. Shadrach Mwadime.
I now invite Ms. Betsy Mudhoni-Njagi, the Principal Secretary, State Department for Blue Economy and Fisheries in the Ministry of Mining, Blue Economy and Maritime Affairs, to take her oath of office.
I, Betsy Mudhoni-Njagi, being called on to exercise the functions of Principal Secretary, do swear that, except with the authority of the President, I will not directly or indirectly reveal the nature or contents of any business, proceedings, or document of the Cabinet committed to by secrecy, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such Principal Secretary. So help me God.
Your Excellency, sir, last but not least, with your kind indulgence and permission, I now invite Mr. Shadrach Mwadime, the Principal Secretary, State Department for Shipping and Maritime Affairs in the Ministry of Mining, Blue Economy and Maritime Affairs, to take his oath of office.
I, Shadrach Mwadime, being called on to exercise the functions of Principal Secretary, do swear that, except with the authority of the President, I will not directly or indirectly reveal the nature or contents of any business, proceedings, or document of the Cabinet committed to my secrecy, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such Principal Secretary. So help me God.
Your Excellency, with your principal secretaries having assumed office, it is now my humble duty and profound privilege to invite Your Excellency to convey your congratulations to the principal secretaries as they embarked on their historic mission in their service to this great republic. And thereafter, with Your Excellency's most kind and gracious indulgence, to grant your principal secretaries a photo opportunity. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you very much. Please, let's take our seats. Let me, first and foremost, congratulate the men and women who today have taken the oath of office to serve the Republic of Kenya as principal secretaries. From me and the entire administration, congratulations to you. Congratulations for the opportunity the Republic of Kenya has given you to serve in the high office of Principal Secretary. You have submitted yourselves by oath and in public to serve the Republic of Kenya and to work diligently so that we can deliver to the was elected. At the onset, I want to promise you my support, my prayers, so that you can discharge your responsibilities, and it is my belief that you will do so to the best of your ability, knowing that as you serve humanity, you serve God. Cabinet secretaries and principal secretaries in place, that the job of the government of Kenya will enter a new phase, a great nation. And every one of us, as I told the cabinet secretaries during their swearing in, that the jobs and the responsibilities and the positions that you have been given are not private positions, they are not family positions, they are not community positions, they are positions to serve the entirety of the people of the Republic of Kenya. I will expect every principal secretary to work diligently and to work to the best of their ability to serve the 52, 53 million people of the Republic of Kenya. As you are aware, the single critical asset we have as a country is not oil or gold, is not silver or bronze, it is the human capital of the Republic of Kenya. It is my belief that we will marshal all the resources of government to sharpen the human capital of our republic so that we can use it to drive our development, to drive our investment, to drive our agriculture, and to make sure that no Kenyan, as you work in the various departments that you will be working, you should understand that you are not only responsible for your department, you are not only responsible for your state department, but you serve under the collective responsibility of the entire government of the Republic of Kenya. You have as much duty, you have as much responsibility over your department as you do over the entire, in a manner that creates opportunity for us to build on the strength of each and every one of us so that we can deliver on the commitment that we collectively were given by the people of Kenya. I want to promise you that as the team leader of education curriculum, yesterday I was given the preliminary report by the Presidential Working Party on Education Reform, and it was revealed by the views of majority of the stakeholders, more than 20,000 of them. 86% decided or proposed junior secondary should be domiciled together with our primary schools. And it is for the reason that many parents need to children going affordable or affordability of education.